Hello, it's John Cernuska with MarineMax, Fort Myers. Today we're going to do a brief walkthrough on a very nice 2015 Meridian 441 Sedan bridge. This boat's a one-owner boat, very low hours, many standard features and nice options on this one. Please come aboard for a closer look. As you step aboard, you're going to notice a very large aft cockpit here. There's a seat across the transom, as well as storage, both starboard and port. Stairs up to the full expansive bridge, and a nice hard top that overhangs for additional shade here. There's also canvas enclosure to this area, as well as snap-in carpeting. Perfect, let's go inside for a closer look. We've got a nice screen here, magnetic. So on those cooler days, you can turn the AC off and just have the fresh airflow working for you. As you enter in here, you've got a nice salon. Nice couch here. This couch actually will pull out and make a double bed. We've got a bar area here. Plenty of bottle storage and cabinet storage as well. A high-low table here. Off to the port side, 2 chairs. Those are flexible. They'll come out and work in any direction you'd like them to, and then a nice flat screen here with a Bose surround sound system. Stepping up into the galley area, you'll have a nice dinette here, which will also convert down to a full lounger, so it'll sleep 1 adult, 2 kids, depending on their size, of course. Then off to the port side, you've got a full galley area, refrigerator, freezer, double sink, double burner, convection microwave, Lazy Susan, plenty of storage, and 2 side window openings as well for additional airflow. One thing that's synonymous with the Meridian is the ceiling is very well appointed, and the air conditioning and heating flow is integrated right into the ceiling, so it's very even, very quiet, very comfortable. Stepping on down to the staterooms, off to the starboard side, you're going to have your master. Plenty of room down here. Nice drawer, storage area, little vanity area here with a mirror, washer dryer combo, nice island berth. This is where he stores his foredeck cushions. Then you have a master head here as well, dedicated to the master stateroom. It's going to be a wet head, of course, but a nice vacuum flush head, freshwater sink, shower. Moving forward, you're going to have your VIP stateroom, which is going to give you an elevated island berth. Plenty of storage on both sides. Opening windows as well, and a hatch as well, with a designated screen for some additional airflow. Another flat screen in this area, along with the separate stereo system. And then off to the port side is going to be your VIP stateroom head as well, with a step-in shower. And then here up on the bridge, plenty of space. Very well appointed helm, twin flat screen, Raymarine, autopilot. This one will have bow and stern thruster as well, digital throttle and shift. Isinglass in the front, all opens up, of course. 3 hatches on the hard top for additional airflow. Here on the port side, you're going to have electric barbecue grill and a freshwater sink. This area has designated 2 air conditioning systems as well for up here, so there's a total of 6 air conditioning units on this boat. Very nice seating here, plenty of storage under there, and that table does go down, which would form another lounger. If you'd like more about this boat, feel free to reach me direct, 239-297-4788. Thank you.